like how much do you think like the cheapest haircut in Uganda in very local salon?
Local salon.
Very local.
It's like 2,000.
2,000, huh?
Yeah.
So in a local salon it only costs 2,000, and I'm doing that challenge, guys. We're gonna find this, and I promise to come to his place one day. So actually I'm making a challenge, brother.
Yeah.
To go to the cheapest local salon to have the haircut. But today I will find the local salon, guys, to have the haircut. And next time I will come to this great salon and I will have the same haircut, and we'll see which is the best actually. Is it about money or about experience? Yo, hello everyone, good day, welcome back all, and I am in Kampala, Uganda, guys. So today we have an amazing challenge, guys. I'm going to try the cheapest Uganda haircut here in Kampala, guys, and this is like a challenge. Like most of the time, guys, I usually go to amazing and best salon to have a best haircut because of my dreadlock. Like all the time, I wish as a footballer or someone who has a dreadlock, I don't want to ruin my hair, guys. So I make sure to go to the best salon so that I can have the best haircut. So here or everywhere in this world, if you go to any best salon for the best haircut, for sure it will be expensive. So today we are going to try the cheapest. It's like I'm gonna take risk, but it's okay. I'm going for the cheapest haircut here in Uganda, and I'm not really sure. Some people used to say that the cheapest haircut here, it costs like maybe $1 or maybe $2. Like it depends on the places, but what I know that most of the haircut, like here in Kampala, it costs like 5,000 Ugandan shilling. So 5,000 Ugandan shilling, if we have to say in dollars, guys, like here in Uganda, $1 is equivalent to 3,500 Ugandan shilling. Okay, that is $1. So you can now know how much is 5,000 Ugandan shilling equivalent to dollars, guys. So okay, but today is a challenge day, and what I'm gonna do now, like I will be visiting different salon, and first to ask about the prices, to see the prices, the difference in the prices, so that I can come to know how much is the cheapest, like how much is the cheapest haircut here in Uganda. So now I am in one area here, they call it Kajjansi, guys. So I go down in Kajansi, and up to now I've never seen any salon nearby to me here, guys, so that I can ask and to see how much it really costs for the haircut. And I just want to make sure, like first to go to the best salon here, and to see like how much it really costs. Yo, you people in Kajansi, I don't understand it. Like I've been working almost like 4 minutes and I've never seen any salon, guys. I don't know why, but I have to find any best salon. This is my plan, guys. But this side here, I see a salon here, so I think I have to go up. Yeah, there is a salon up there, guys. You can see. Oh, the name is Great Look Salon. So from the name, we're expecting maybe this salon can be maybe a big salon. Yeah, the salon name is Great Look, and it is kind of located in a very good place. So let's check and to see. Yeah. Hello. Hi brother, how are you?
I'm okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Your name?
Yeah. Ashraf.
Your name is Ashraf? So I found one salon here, guys, in Kajjansi, and this is the owner, guys. So I just want to show you how the salon look. The name of your salon is?
Great Look.
Great Look, guys.
Yeah.
See, the salon is well, you can see, well designed, arranged, and from the name, like for sure this is a big salon, and they said it's a great look. So brother, I just have one doubt, like I'm always curious. Like I wanted to know, like, how much does haircut cost in your salon, Great Low?
Here in Grateful.
Yeah,
And the lowest one is 5,000.
5,000 Ugandan shilling.
Yeah, Ugandan shillings.
This is there.
Eh?
Come again. Once come again.
Lord, at the like this.
The-
Let me say the
What is the highest? Okay, normally how much does it? Let's say I want to have a side haircut.
side haircut.
Yes.
No, like the haircut which is not take a long time to cut. Like the brush that short hair
Okay,
we can do for 5,000.
5,000.
But if you need a
Hmm.
executive like haircut, a VIP haircut,
Hmm.
it's like 10, 15 there.
10, 15.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have heard, guys, if you need like really amazing luxurious haircut in a Great Low here, it costs 10 to 15, and it depends on the style and the timing of the haircut.
Yeah.
But for any normal haircut like mine, the side one, which is just normally doesn't include a lot of design or style, it just costs 5,000. But I just want to know, like, according to your own opinion, like, how much do you think like the cheapest haircut in Uganda in very local salon?
Local salon.
Very local.
It's like 2,000.
2,000, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So in a local salon, it only costs 2,000, and I'm doing that challenge, guys. We're gonna find this, and I promise to come to his place one day. So actually, I'm making a challenge, brother,
Yeah.
to go to the cheapest local salon
Local salon.
to have the haircut. But today I will find the local salon, guys, to have the haircut. And next time I will come to this great salon and I will have the same haircut, and we'll see which is the best. Actually, is it about money or about experience? Okay, guys, it has been challenging to find salon out here because I am not in Kampala. I am in one area here, they call it Kajjansi. That is why it's kind of a bit challenging. But I choose to do this challenge in Kajansi, which is not like crowded place, so that I can avoid, guys, I can avoid maybe a lot of noise and maybe other challenges or trouble. So finally I found one salon here, guys. You can see behind me, it's looking so local and down, but let's get to see, and maybe this is where we can end the challenge, guys. So this is the salon. Yeah, welcome. The salon has no any name, but near to this salon you can see one stadium here. Anyway, maybe he will tell us more about this salon. Hello, guys. Hi, brother. How are you? Fine?
Fine now.
Yeah, your name? Hello, guys. Fine?
Julius.
Yeah, Julius.
Yeah.
You are the owner of this salon, right?
Yes.
Okay, just can you tell them first, like, your salon, where does it located here, the address?
Kajjansi Playground.
Kajansi Playground. Okay. As I said earlier, guys, the salon has no any branded name, but anyhow, it's like a playground. This is the easiest way you can notice or discover or find out the salon, because there is a playground there. It's called Kajansi Playground. So we are going to do this challenge here, and before that I just want to know, like, how much does it cost for the haircut, like the side haircut?
2000.
2,000, guys. So for the side haircut is 2,000, and as you heard earlier, guys, from one guy there, the salon cost for the normal one, for the previous salon, it is 5,000, but in this salon it is only 2,000. So this is the cheapest, and we are going to do this challenge here and to see how is it about money or it is about experience. So let's do it. Actually, like, how many years, like,
10
experience?
years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're expecting something good, guys. Let's not waste time and let's see his results. Now the challenge has begun, and first the guy applied white powder on my head. I don't know what's the use of it, but you can let me know in the comment section. And he was so friendly. He started combing my hair and doing everything important before started shaving directly. So typically haircut in most salons around this area or in Uganda, it costs over 5,000 Ugandan shilling or more. But in this episode, I am stepping outside the usual to get the cheapest haircut I can find at a local salon. My goal is to discover whether the quality of a haircut depend more on the price you pay or the experience and the skill of the barber. Though this salon was located in a very local place and even not a branded salon, I was still appreciating everything. His work and the salon also have power, and moreover they have some advanced important tools and the product which exists. At the same time, guys, I was wondering whether to call this salon a local salon or not, because you can see he has a current and at the same time he has like other important electrical tools for shaving. But anyway, the challenge was to find the cheapest haircut, which is less than $1. So maybe he knows, or you guys can tell me why is it that it is only 2,000 in this salon, or I can guess maybe because of the location or maybe how this salon look alike. But in other places or other country, I can still tell you this is not local salon for me, but because of how cheap is it, so I decide to do the challenge here. So let's see how is it going. And you can see the guy is having like important product to apply when he's done with the shaving, and this is really one of the important and things that amuse me about his salon. Though it is local, as you can say, or cheaper, but it still have a lot and other important product which is not even worth the price of shaving in that salon. You can see such product might be costly outside in the market, and I don't even expect to find it in a salon which costs cheaper than 5,000. So anyway, let's get to see the final result. Yo guys, Kamavinga is done. Finally the haircut is done, and I just want to rate the haircut. And before that, I want to say Hala Madrid to all the Madrid fans. So first have a look. Just help me, show them full round of the cut. Just show them. Yeah. Show them all.
Let me see.
Okay, I'll see. Let me see. Let them see all the work you have done. Yeah. Okay, now give it this side. Okay, guys, this is the art. The artist, I mean, is the artist behind this haircut. And me rating this haircut first, let me have a look, guys. So out of 10, I'm rating this haircut, guys. I'll give it, that is 9, guys. What give you a rating, honest rating? Me, I give 9. Out of 10, you? Be honest, be honest.
5.
5, you?
7.
7. So this guy is telling that this is average. Okay, anyway, you guys who are watching, just give honest review about this haircut. Like, to be honest, this is really amazing. And what make it amazing, guys, like, I'm just wondering, guys, see, this is a small salon, local salon, and even the price for the haircut is very cheap and very affordable compared to any other bigger salon, guys. So to be honest, it's not about how, like they used to say, don't judge a book by a cover, right? So don't see this salon in this local place located in such a not good place, then you might say maybe it's a rubbish salon. To be honest, it is about talent, it's about experience and the art. It is about the result and the work. And this guy really did a lot of amazing work. It's really talented, guys. It doesn't matter how many years is the experience, but he's good at his work. And make sure to visit, guys, to witness and to prove my word. This is near what? How do you call this ground?
Kajjansi Playground.
Kajansi Playground, guys. If you are in Uganda, Kampala, where Buebija, come near this ground, Kajjansi Playground, and come and witness this amazing and affordable price. I really thank him a lot for this, and this deserve actually more than 2K, guys. This is worth 5K, guys. And come just experience, and don't forget, drop your comment on rating this haircut. Peace out.